You on? Oh, okay, great. Meeting's called to order. This is the Assessment Appeal Board. It is May 7th, and we are going to call the meeting to order. And we first agenda is to stand up, please, and do the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? Go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, thank you. Next, we have public comments. Do we have anybody here that has a public comment? Okay, seeing that we don't, we'll move on to number 4, which is the consent calendar. Okay, so we have the consent calendar. All matters are considered under the consent calendar as routine and will be enacted as one motion. Do we have a motion? Do we have a motion to move the consent calendar?
I move that we approve the consent calendar.
We have
a second.
We have a first and a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? None. Okay, moving on to number 5, we have hearings. If we have anybody in the audience that would like to say something here to us, we would like for you to come to the podium and be sworn in, and we could hear you, and it only takes, we only take about 3 or 4 minutes of our time. So if we need you to talk to us today, then we'd like for you to come and address yourself, your name, and what is your title, or who are you here for?
Hello.
Can you turn on the mic?
There's a little button there. I couldn't hear you.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good now.
Could you
Thank
repeat? I couldn't hear you originally.
Yes, absolutely. My name is Colton Ballinger. I'm here from Fenimore Law in Fresno on behalf of Todd D. Phillips, co-trustee of the David and Patricia Berry Trust.
Now, are you the one that did the applications for Phillips?
For the assessment appeal, no, I was brought in later. I'm just an associate. I believe Jared Marshall is the managing attorney. And really my only point of being here today is just to have eyes and ears on the hearing on behalf of our clients.
So you're with Jarrett at the firm?
Yes, he's my
I
boss.
understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
Say hi to him for me.
absolutely, will do, sir.
Okay, so you're here to represent all of the items, looks like from 5D to what is it, 5?
5A through
It's
5D through the
It's
end.
5D
5D?
through 5J.
I have,
Anyone here?
Yeah, and I really don't have many comments. I've spoke to Brian about it at length. I think everyone's on the same page. From my perspective, the clients just need a little bit of time to review the recent proposal that was sent to them regarding the assessment appeals, and we're just here to ask for a
Okay,
continuance.
so
is
we're
all.
going to hear from Brian now.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So I've been working with Mr. Ballinger a little bit, and I unfortunately got our proposed values to him later than I wanted to. So I will ask for promise this time, one more continuance.
One more
till-
continuance.
Till the August meeting, and I believe we should have, we will have it resolved one way or the other.
Okay, so you want to move it to the August? August 6th.
Mr. Bollinger, you agree with that postponement then?
Yes, August would be.
Okay. Joint
Righty.
request?
Yeah, this one's my fault.
For the request of our county assessor's appraiser here, we have a motion to move this meeting to the, postpone until August the 6th. Do we have a motion?
Make a motion to postpone the meeting to August 6th.
Thank you. We have a
Seconded.
second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed? None. Well, good. So we'll see you on August the 6th.
Thank you all.
Oh, we
Thank
will not
you.
see you. Maybe, hopefully, you will come back. Okay. Thank you. All right.
Brian, what's going to happen to A, B, and C then?
We're going to have to talk about that, I think.
Okay.
Well, we're not
I
there
didn't
yet.
see
We're gonna-
anybody here, so I was wondering.
Okay, moving on to hearing number 5A with the AAB 34, that's JRP Hospitality, Inc., 24R010. Brian, do we have anything?
Well, I think we should probably take A, B, and C together as one.
Oh, okay,
They're represented by the same firm.
okay.
I had not heard, I reached out to the agent on the appeal application on April 13th, left a message, had not heard back.
Since April?
Yeah. And then Tuesday, a different representative from the firm reached out, and she had been trying to send some emails to Sarah. I forwarded one of those on to Karen because the last I had heard, Karen was going to be here, but I did send them to Angie. It looks like they're asking for another
Continue.
continuance.
Okay.
They did use this was originally scheduled for, I believe, the December hearing, and they did request this date when they asked for a continuance at that point.
Yes.
And like I said, I hadn't heard from them until this week. And it appears in the little bit of time I've talked with the representative, I mean, I don't want to speak for them, but the only one we discussed was 24R12, so I don't know what the intention with the others is.
Well, I feel like maybe we should just table this till next hearing. That way, because there's just so much going on that we don't really know. It's like unforeseen things that are going on with, like the emails and stuff. So there's nothing definite here. What do you think?
And so I think what the agent was asking for, and I think it's more of perhaps a question for our attorney, is per the local rules, to ask for a second continuance, they have to appear. Her question was, could she do that on Zoom or telephonically? And that's not something our office handles, so.
Yes.
Well, Brian is correct. Under the rules, they disfavor two continuances, so they're supposed to come personally and request. And if they don't, that's grounds for you in your discretion to consider it dismissed. Or you can show mercy at your discretion.
Well, I feel mercy today. Just because, we don't have Sarah here and there's not lack of communication going on, I don't feel right.
The other thing is, as Brian alluded to, is they're supposed to make these requests more days in advance. So maybe they'll work it out with Brian if that's their attitude.
Yeah, hopefully on August the 6th, we'll have more of an answer and we could just,
There could have been communication we're not aware of,
Well, it seems like there are because they have
Yeah.
emails, but it's,
I mean,
the
because Sarah's
Zoom,
not here.
Yeah.
we don't do Zoom,
She-
so.
The representative did mention that she had tried to send some emails, but apparently she had the wrong email address or something. But the first that I had received communication from her was on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah, but she did, and honestly don't remember when she sent an email to Sarah, but I did forward, because she forwarded that to me when she didn't hear back. And so then I sent it to, like I said, I sent it to Karen, who's not here either. And
Okay, what do you think, Tom? Can we just table it till next meeting?
Or
Yes, in your discretion, you can.
Discretion, okay. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
Or Bob?
yeah,
do you have any
move it to
questions?
next meeting?
Or you want to make a motion?
Yeah, I move that we move items number 5A, 5B, and 5C to the August meeting.
Second?
We have a first and a second, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? None?
No.
Okay. Took care of that question there. Let's see. Stipulations of value is our next agenda. Do we have anything there, Brian?
Hopefully next meeting. None today, but I feel pretty confident we'll have some.
Sounds good. All right, great. So we'll go to the next one, which is action items for discuss and direction. Do you ladies know anything what's going on? I know that Geraldine has some issues with her getting certified or certification. You familiar with anything? Geraldine Bonflu? I know Sarah knows about it, so
We're not privy to that information, I'm sorry.
you don't have what?
We do not have information
Okay.
on the status.
So basically, we don't have anything to talk about until we see Sarah. Okay, doke. So do you have any other actions do you want to discuss?
Well, assuming everything that's scheduled for August goes off, that should solve 2020, that should finish 2024's. We do have more appeals than normal that were filed in 2025, but there's a large landowner that has over 20.
20 appeals?
Yeah, so those, while they are 20 separate line items, will probably be taken as one. So it doesn't, it's not as bad as it looks.
Okay.
So I take it it's an agricultural land issue?
Yeah, it's a vineyard property.
Okay. So basically, we're good till next month, till August. huh?
August.
All right. And number 8, staff reports and updates.
Sorry, I guess I just gave that to you.
That's what you just did, okay. Well, it looks like we are done for business today. I so call this an adjournment. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.